Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and show you step by step how you can start dropshipping with $0, and you don't even need to go and create an account on Shopify. There's a lot of misconceptions right now in the industry for individuals that are thinking of going on Shopify and making accounts and paying their monthly fee, and that is the reason why I'm going to show you today exactly how you can do it completely free. Right now on Shopify, if you go for the basic account, it's going to cost you $19 per month. If you go for the Shopify account itself, where you level up your business with professional reporting and more staff account, it goes for $49, and the advanced is for $299. But I'm going to show you how you can create a dropshipping business completely free without paying anything. But if you still want to use Shopify, you can click in the description below. I'm going to put a link over there where you can get Shopify for 90 days. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing we need to do is head over to TikTok, and once you get on TikTok, you got to search for TikTok made me buy it, and then when you hit search, so we'll land on TikTok made me buy it account. Now obviously the main element over here is to find a product that people are talking about, people are buying, that people are interested in, and you can easily find the number of views that are available on particular TikTok products that people are interested in. So what we're going to do is we're going to search and find a particular product that a lot of individuals are interested in, that is already being advertised, that is already being pushed, that is already made available on TikTok. So once we find a product such as the squish toys, we will make a shop for this particular product. Once you have selected the product, you have to head over to a website that is called businessnamemaker.com. Now this is a business name generator, and you can use the generator to make a perfect name for your board or for your business. Now one of the main elements that is the biggest problems for young entrepreneurs or individuals that are looking to develop stores online is to select a name that fits for them. And obviously you have to be very creative to come up with a name that can honestly make a difference, because the first thing any individual or customer looks at is your particular business name. And that is the reason why we'll be using businessnamemaker.com. That will make our life a lot easier. So let us put the name of Squish Toys, and by hitting get started button. And once we do that, we'll be taken to the next page. Over here you can click a name to check the domain if it's available, and all these 2,414 results are available of different names that you can easily use for your particular store. Now you don't have to think about it at all, because it gives you every single thing that you need to know. Now the name over here that's very interesting and really stands out is the Home Squish. So once we click on Home Squish, it will give us a breakdown and show us exactly what different domains are available. For example, homesquish.com is available, .co is available, .net is available, .co.uk is available. Now you don't need to go on different websites to find a domain. It gives you a chance and shows you what names are available and what domains you can use for that particular name. And obviously you get a free domain with a web hosting only for $1.99 per month with GoDaddy. For example, if you like the homesquish.com, all you need to do is click on register and you will get this particular domain for yourself. Now as you can see, the homesquish.com is available for $4.99 for the first year. The next step, we gotta go over to bigcartel.com. Now this is an easy online store for artists and makers. Guys, the purpose of this video is to give you a complete step-by-step methodology that you can use and create an online e-commerce shop completely free, and you don't have to pay anything. You can keep your money, because the main element over here is that they don't take a cut from your sales or charge a bunch of fees. You just need to pick one of the affordable monthly plans that fits your needs and your budget. And the first option they have is that they give you 5 products, which is completely free, and you don't even need a credit card. And obviously with the gold features, you can get 1 image per product with a free customizable theme. You can sell online and in person as well with real-time stats, and you can use a custom domain that makes your business a very personalized place. And they offer discounts and they run promotions with shipping tracking and product options groups and sales tax autopilot as well. Now the thing over here you got to keep in mind that even if one product makes it, you will literally be able to make money instantly. And this is made for the makers. Since 2005, over 1 million creators have sold their t-shirts, arts, clothing, merchandise, prints, jewelry, and other weird and wonderful stuff with Big Cartel, and you could be one of them. The only thing that you need to do is head over here where it says open your store, and once you reach over here, all you need to do is click on it, which will take you to the next place where you have have to plan for the budget. So for example, we're gonna go for the 5 project, which is completely free. So let's sign up for free right now. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. Now obviously you can add a product, you can explore shipping profiles or connect a payment processor. You can even design your shop and launch your shop at the same time with the name of Squish Toys. That is gonna be your store name. The next step is you gotta head over to AliExpress.com and search for Squish Toys. When you search for it on AliExpress, you'll get a lot of different Squish Toys options that are gonna be available. Now the thing that you gotta understand, guys, and this is a tip I'm gonna share with you, is that you need to buy it at a very low cost and obviously sell it at a higher price. The difference that you make in between of this is gonna be your profit. But the element that you gotta keep in mind are 3 basic things. The first one obviously is gonna be the price. The second is how many of this particular product have been sold. Now we already know from TikTok that there is a lot of traffic for this particular product, but once we come on AliExpress, we can clearly see how many individuals are buying this particular product. And the third thing, which is very important, is the quality of the Squish Toy that you're selling. And how do you find that out? It's very simple. Every single product tends to have a review, and you can easily read the review of individuals that have bought this particular product. Now if you look at this product over here, this is a product which is for $1.33, and this is a product that has been bought by 677 individuals with 47 reviews, and we can clearly see the full description, the pictures that are available, and this is a product that people are interested in. But the unique thing over here is the shipping. You got to make sure that the price and the shipping works in your favor, because once you sell it, you will sell it at a higher price than what you have actually bought it, and the difference is where you're gonna make your money. To this point in time, you do not have to spend anything, because the element over here, which is very important, is selecting a particular product that already has a lot of traffic, then selling it on a particular store that did not cost you to make at all, where you can sell 1 or up to 5 products and start making money instantly. Once we have selected the product, we have to head back to our big Cartel dashboard and select add a product. Once we click on add a product, we'll be taken to the next page. We will select add a product, and once we click on it, we'll be able to add the product. Then you have to put your product name, the descriptions, the category, and obviously the status and the price that we'll be willing to sell this particular product, which is gonna be $30. Now the thing that is very important, which a lot of individuals miss, is adding an image. Once we click on the add button, we can adding an image. Now the image has been added. Now the image is added. We can see the image, we can see the product name and the descriptions with the full information of the product. What we need to do is hit save now. Now you can see the product, it's available on sale for $30. Once we click on it, we'll be able to see the full detail of the product itself. Now if you want to share the link, you can easily do it where the product URL is available. Once we click on it, it will take us to our shop where you will have the Squishy Toys. It's on sale with the description, the price, and the details of this particular product. All you need to do is put it in your cart and you're good to go. You can easily copy and paste this particular link anywhere on your social media to ensure and give individuals an option to buy this particular product from your stores. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to make an account completely free and start dropshipping immediately. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.